Welcome back, everybody. Appreciate you tuning in. On this episode, we're gonna tackle the cab lights. The factory cab lights are pretty large. I decided to go with some smaller cab lights, a little bit slimmer.
Is that a fat joke?
Cab light. So that's what we're going to be doing on this episode. You'll see that holes got to be moved forward, welded up, re-drilled, all that good stuff. So anyway, stay tuned. We're going to get busy. So these cab lights are for 99 to 2007, I believe. And as you can tell from the dirt pattern, that these are a whole lot smaller. So basically what we're gonna do is, see if I can get this unhooked here. Did I just blew another fucking fuse.
Oh, not another one!
As you can tell, these lights are considerably smaller. And then it's got the pretty large hole in the center. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to move this forward towards the front and then cut this out, drill those two holes, and then we'll probably put a plug in here, plug this up, recut that hole right there, drill two holes, and we can move it forward.
put a lot of time into this list, so don't fuck it up and get Sam.
Oh, make you want to kick a fat kid at Kmart.
All right, got all the holes welded up. So here's what we did. We wanted the lights to set as far forward as the old ones. And because these were such big holes back here, we were afraid that we would get some water past that gasket, plus being way back here in the original hole, that means that light would set back farther back, about 1.5 inches. So we moved them 1.5 inches forward, filled up those holes so the light's same distance forward, everything. Welded that up, and I think it's gonna look pretty good. All right, that's a wrap on the cab lights. Got all those put in, everything worked. So next episode, we're gonna be mocking up the tow mirrors. So appreciate y'all tuning in for this. I hope you come back for the other one. And as always, hit that like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Till next time, doses.